Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by signing into Roblox and confirming the email tied to the account. This is required. Once signed in, open Settings and go straight to Security. Make sure you have the current two-step verification code, Authenticator app, or recovery codes ready. You will need one to change anything. If you don't have those codes, the only legitimate next step is account recovery. Do not try workarounds. Now, proceed to the two-step verification section to begin disabling it. Once you're at Security, choose Two-Step Verification and request to disable it. You will be asked for the active 2SV code or one of your recovery codes. Enter it exactly. After you enter a valid code, select Disable and confirm the change. Roblox sends a confirmation email, so make sure you can access that inbox. If you used an Authenticator app, remove Roblox from that app once disabled, and if you removed a phone number, verify the change by checking email notifications, and to finish, sign out and sign back in to confirm two-step verification is turned off. Make sure email confirmations reflect the change. Once done, strengthen another layer of security, update your password, and verify a recovery email. If you cannot supply a valid code or recovery code, contact Roblox support and provide account details, proof of purchases, or creation info. This is the only legitimate way to remove 2SV without codes. If problems persist, check spam folders and allow 24 hours for support responses.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.